Okay, so this is going to be the conclusion. What's going to happen when the lights are turned off and he's busy pounding the floor, screaming, no, no, no. The Christians are going to exit. Probably to the back. We'll make a little exit there or something. They'll exit. They're in the darkness as all the lights are turned off, and they'll leave some clothes behind. So remember, you're going to need to bring some clothes. Maybe not the same thing you're wearing. You know, they'll get the idea. We'll drop some clothes there in the elevator, and then slowly, orderly, everyone will leave and be out of the way. Perhaps back in the crowds, perhaps back in your seats, or just over by Jose, just out of the way, because the lights will be all off. And it'll when we turn the lights on, he'll be yelling and screaming and shouting and repenting to God as to where everybody went. The lights will be real dim. It'll flicker, then it'll be real dim, but enough to see that people are gone. Okay, then after that, after he says his last words in the script, I'm sorry, lights go out. So the lights will probably turn back on. Let me see here. Right before he starts pounding the floor, right before he says, no, it can't be, no, it can't be. Okay, so that's a little bit how it's going to go. Kind of want to let you know what we're going to do when we come in and practice. Everybody has their lines down. It's going to be basically, he said, then he said, then he said, then he said. Then the two biggest parts are going to be the rodeo fan and husband one. Okay, so Palacios, your husband one. Be sure to have your lines down. Rudy, be sure to have yours, because you're going to have a lot to say. There's a lot of the dialogue, a lot of information you're giving out about being injured, not liking elevators, not understanding how all that goes, how, religion and things like that. So it's a lot we're conveying that I do want you to say. You can add to it so long as it goes along with the mood, goes along with what I'm portraying. That is why I act it out, so you have an understanding of kind of what I'm looking at, or how I see it. Okay, and then from there, you can add a piece of Rudy, a piece of Tony Palacio in there, a piece of Miss Palacio, Jenny. You're gonna go ahead and start it off all happy. That's why I put you as the first Christian, because you have a happy flair to you, and you're gonna set the mood there. All right, Roland, you're gonna be in there, and you always have a high pitched, happy voice, when you're laughing and whatnot. So that's kind of the mood. Everybody's just having a good time. Just imagine when we'll go out to outreach, we're happy to go see souls get saved, hoping or expecting the best, and that's the mood that everybody's got. And that's kind of weird to a sinner, and that's what he's gonna notice, Rudy. He's going to notice that, who are these people? Y'all together? Y'all are all acting the same way. Anyway, see you Thursday night. You can go over the audio. You've got the text there already. You can download it if you want. I'll get you a paper script on Wednesday in case you bring it and you want to follow along, and when we practice. All right, this is going to be cool. I think we're all going to enjoy doing this one.